If you're seeing a card declined error on Epic Games, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to buying games, V-Bucks, or anything else on your account. This is a really common problem, and in most cases, it's caused by a simple issue with your card details, bank settings, browser, or a temporary payment block. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, double-check your card information. Make sure the card number is entered correctly, the expiry date is still valid, and the CVV code matches exactly what's on the back of your card. Even one wrong digit can cause the payment to fail instantly. Next, make sure you actually have enough balance or available credit on the card. Sometimes the purchase looks small enough to work, but the bank may still decline it if the balance is too low, the spending limit has been reached, or there's a hold on the account. Another important step is to check whether international or online payments are enabled on your card. Some banks automatically block online purchases or foreign transactions for security reasons, and Epic Games payments can get flagged because of that. Open your banking app or contact your bank and make sure online and international purchases are allowed. If those settings are off, turn them on and try again. If the card details and bank settings are correct, try switching browsers or using the Epic Games launcher instead. Sometimes the issue is not the card at all, but the browser session, cookies, or cached payment data. If you're using Chrome, try Edge or Firefox. If you're on a browser and it keeps failing, open the Epic Games launcher and attempt the purchase there instead. That simple switch can sometimes fix the problem immediately. Another step that often helps is disabling your VPN. If you're using a VPN, Epic Games or your bank may see the transaction as suspicious because your location appears different from your billing address or card region. Turn the VPN off, refresh the page, and try the payment again with your real connection. If the card still gets declined, the next best step is to contact your bank. In many cases, the bank is blocking the transaction before it even reaches Epic Games. Let them know you're trying to make a legitimate purchase, and ask whether they're declining online gaming payments or international charges. They may be able to approve the transaction or remove a fraud block from your card. If your bank says everything is fine, try a different payment method. You can use PayPal if it's available, or try another debit or credit card. This is often the quickest workaround if one card keeps failing for no obvious reason. A second payment method can save you a lot of time and help you complete the purchase right away. And if none of those fixes work, there may simply be a temporary issue with Epic Games or the payment processor. In that case, wait a little while and try again later. Temporary declines can happen because of server issues, payment verification delays, or short-term bank restrictions that clear up on their own. So the full checklist is simple. Verify your card details, confirm your balance, enable online and international payments, try a different browser or the Epic Games launcher, disable VPN, contact your bank, test another payment method, and if needed, wait and try again later. One of those fixes usually solves the issue. If this video helped, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful gaming and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.